to take a look up inside. Got her all running. Got everything moving. Kind of see out the window. Alright, let's go upstairs. Alright, more big belts. Come up to the front and look out. There's the windows there. Let's see what else we got over here. I got you blocked right here, so you can't see much there. We'll go this way. Get back up to the top. Go ahead. One path in, one path out. Another window. Oop, right here. Excuse me there. Alright, let's see what else we got. There's the top window. See the dam out there. Bridge and festival. Go ahead.
Living this way in that log.
How you doing? Oh, go around this way. More machinery. Let's see, there's some stuff this way. Creaky old floors. There's some windows. You can see them all down there. Is that just a dead end there?
Yeah, it comes around to the side.
All right. Oh. Nice to open it up. Let's check it out. Donation center. Oh, an old scale.
He doesn't like it. He's outside.
So, okay, I'll take the white one. He's
Yeah.
giving me the white dog.
Oh, okay. Well,
He said he's got one on her. Like
I don't think the lady has any left. There was $75 a piece.
You're free.
Yeah.
I've got 6 dogs.